How to connect Gelato to TikTok Shop. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Gelato to TikTok Shop. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Gelato, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Gelato, it is a global technology company that specializes in print-on-demand services, enabling creators and e-commerce entrepreneurs to produce and deliver customized products efficiently. And aside from that, Gelato operates a vast network of over 140 production partners across 32 countries, allowing for localized manufacturing that significantly reduces shipping times and carbon emissions, in which this innovative approach means that the products are made on demand, eliminating the need for inventory and minimizing waste. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up for free button on the top right corner, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page where you can sign in using your Google account, Facebook, or Apple ID in here, or using your email in here. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of gelato.com. And from here, since we're trying to connect gelato.com to TikTok Shop account, you'll be able to see here under gelato.com how you can start connecting your account in here to your TikTok Shop. So all you need to do is simply go to the left side panel and kind of click the stores option right here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us a variety of options of store in here. But just proceed by clicking the TikTok Shop button right here. And upon clicking on it, you can choose here the TikTok Shop region, US or UK. And upon clicking on US, for example, we'll be able to be directed in our TikTok Shop. However, it says here that the app does not exist in my current seller market. So there's an error upon connecting our TikTok Shop to Gelato right here directly. So we could also do the same process again, and at this point, we're going to choose the region of UK. And upon clicking again, this UK, we'll not be able to be directed again on this page of TikTok Shop, and it will show us in here that there is also an error in here. So that means we will not be able to connect directly our Gelato account to our TikTok Shop. But there's another way on how we can start connecting Gelato to our TikTok Shop, in which by using our Shopify account in here. So just click the Shopify button, and upon clicking on it, make sure that you also sign up your Shopify account in here before you start clicking this button or option, direct integration to Shopify. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page under the Shopify App Store. Just click this install button of Gelato. And after successfully clicking the install button in here, and from here just click again the install button to proceed. And after clicking the install button, we have now successfully connect our Gelato account to this Shopee account. And because of that, we can successfully integrate some of the product from our Gelato to our Shopify, in our Shopify that we can connect to our TikTok Shop in here, which is way more easy than connecting Gelato directly to our TikTok Shop. So just go back to this Shopify account and start clicking the Add Apps button on the left side panel. And on this pop-up window, kindly proceed by clicking Shopify App Store right here. Then you will be able to be directed on this page of Shopify App Store, in which it will show us a variety of applications that we can install. But now to connect our Shopify to our TikTok Shop, just go to the search bar in here and search for TikTok. And upon clicking enter, you will now be able to see our result. But in those options, kindly proceed by clicking this quick sync for TikTok Shop. And from here, it will show you the overview about this application, such as the feature it offers is inventory syncing, which is automatically sync products inventory in real time. So basically, using this application, you can simply sync your TikTok Shop to your Shopify, and all of the inventory or products that you have on your Shopify will be also added on your TikTok Shop account on your products. And now by clicking this install button right here, it will automatically be directed us on the page where it will show us that you also need to click the install button, and upon clicking on it, you should see here a variety of plans that they offer of quick sync. But before that, going back to this page of TikTok Shop, once you have been successfully sync your Shopify to your TikTok Shop, you'll now be able to see under Manage Products all of the products that you have on your Shopify in here that you could also sell on TikTok Shop. Now going back in here, under this quick sync, it will show us a variety of plans that they offer in order to install or use quick sync to connect TikTok Shop to your Shopify account. We have here a variety of plan with its corresponding prices and list of benefits it included in here. We have Light Plan, Pro Plan, Ultra Plan, Ultra Plus Plan, and many more. So you can simply choose here what kind of plan do you want to purchase in order to connect or sync your Shopify to your TikTok Shop account. But let's say we have now successfully connect this TikTok Shop to our Shopify account by simply purchasing some of the plan in here. The next thing that we need to do is to simply go to our Gelato account and start creating a product that will be listing to our Shopify. So just click this product catalog on the left side panel, and upon clicking on it, it will show us a variety of product that we can choose from to design. And on the left side panel, it will show you a variety of category, but I'm going to choose this men's clothing. By clicking on it, you could also see here a variety of type of clothes for men, but I'm going to choose this one. So can you click this sleeve? Then you will now be able to be directed on this page, and below it will show us the corresponding details of this product. And to proceed, kind of click this add to store right here, and upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that we can simply start customizing or designing this kind of product by simply uploading here our design, or you could also use the editing tools on the left side panel to start adding a design in here. Or alternatively, you could also use some other platform or application and start creating a design. For example, at this point, I'm going to use this platform called canva.com. So just go to the Canva search bar, and from here, for example, I'm going to enter or search for t-shirt design. Then you should see a variety of design that you can choose from as a template, but some of it are offered for free and some of it are offered or need to have an upgrade account in order to use it. But I'm going to choose the free one, for example this one, and click the customize this template to proceed. Then you will now be able to be directed on this Canva, where you can start designing or customizing the design in here or template. For example, this context I'm going to customize and says your life is worth it. While on the left side panel, you could also use some other editing tools such as design elements, text, brand, uploads, draw, and many more. You could also change the color, the font size, font style, and many more. And upon clicking the share button on the top right corner, we can simply click the download button to proceed. We can simply download the design that we just customized in here. And after downloading it, just go back to this page of Gelato and simply upload the design that we just customized in Canva from our computer files. And from here, all you need to do is wait for it to load and click this plus button or drag it to this shirt. And before that, you could also choose to make it on the back side if you want to. And now after adding the design, it will show us the result in here. So you could also resize it if you want to make it fitted to the corresponding amount of sizes in this design. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the continue to mockups button on the top right corner to proceed. In which from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply choose the mockups that is offered for free. And after that, let's click the continue to details button on the top right corner. And upon doing so, from here you can start filling out or customizing the details of this product. Or you can click the prices option on the top panel and start customizing here the pricing of this kind of product that we're going to import to our Shopify account. And click the continue to review button on the top right corner. From here, we could also click the publish button. Then all you need to do is to wait for it to be fully loaded or published to our Shopify account. And once it has been published, it is now being added to our Shopify online store for products in here. So if you go to this product section on Shopify, it will show us that the product has now been added. And since using the quick sync, we already connect our TikTok shop in here. The product that we just customized or list to our Shopify has now been added also to these managed products on your TikTok shop. But again, you also need to purchase some of the plan of quick sync in order to do so. So overall, that is just basically how you can connect Gelato to TikTok shop. Thank you.